And Crone, as I said to Gigi a few days ago, on Paladin at level 90, if I use Holy Sheltron while I'm in my request cap window in 4 GCDs, I heal 50% of my health.
Huh?
That is if they don't change the potencies.
That's really fucking stupid.
Excuse you?
Yeah, and it's funny because they actually nerfed. It's hilarious because they also nerfed Nascent Flash. Nascent Flash doesn't heal on hit, so if you're AoEing, you only heal based on the first enemy hit, not all the enemies.
Here you were scared
Yo,
that your class was the poster boy.
I mean, that's because you're playing an RNG class. Are you gonna be complaining about white mage?
Whispers?
Excuse?
Why are we not hitting this lately?
It was my Lucio divination. I've been lazy.
Damn, Crone.
I'm preparing for Endwalker.
My aether flow.
Just crit harder. Come on, you guys can do that. Your DPS.
Nah.
Just draw cards better?
Hell no. How dare you?
Draw cards better. What are you doing?
Try and do my job.
Alright. Hold up.
I am not playing Scholar.
That's what I thought.
I can stop complaining.
Twister's coming up.
Dude, I felt that on a spiritual level.
No.
Necesito ayuda.
There, Sacred Soil. Happy?
Motherfucker.
Why do you doubt us?
I wonder why.
Yeah.
What? And you doubt us while Sarlik kills Druss? You guys are heartless.
Oh!
You should have stood in my stall. Oh!
You can't do it.
No, I can't do that.
That looks so funny.
Ouch! That hurt.
They're on the wall.
And the tank.
Oh, they're in the wall.
I raised everybody but the tanks.
Ay, ay, ay.
Did you guys wall each other?
Yeah.
Yep.
I walled us both.
Oh my god, I know the perfect moment.
Indent stack.
Oh shit.
Hold in! Fuck off! Son of a...
Eh?
Oh fuck.
Hmm.
I didn't get the fire cover.
I think you adjust for me, GG.
Because I always have to adjust for you.
No, you don't! Fuck off!
You're looking
If
at
I get the lightning, I adjust on the fucking range. And...
She's dead.
That's how you so it's not low. Yeah, see? You got slightly lower. So guess what's gonna happen?
I just do second wind. Just do second wind if that happens.
Okay, because I was gonna edge you.
Starting countdown.
Okay, I need to buy that shitty top that Sarlik has.
Shitty?
Ah, for your...
Ah, you just call it shit.
Yeah, I need to buy that shit.
I'm so gonna find a way to kill you.
That's it, just his figure of speech.
I love
No, we
that
only
top.
know a few words. We say those.
Twister.
Oh.
Whoa! What?
My bad.
Yeah.
Dross, my pot.
Stop potting. I'm ready. Oh my god, I just noticed. Ness, you don't have a title.
I have never used a title.
Never uses one.
Why not?
So there's not the one that I like.
Kron, did you not? Did you
Waiting
just
for the
not open
legend
your
to
eyes
know.
until
Kron,
tonight?
we've been raiding for what, like 2 years?
We have? It really has been that long?
Wait, not that long, but you get the point.
I look at people's characters, not their names. Well, so I confuse
I look
the
at what's
thing.
inside. Also the
Alright.
duties.
Absolutely.
Writing count then.
Wait, you never noticed unless don't have a title?
He didn't notice that Mia had a crown.
Oh, you're
Pour
right.
in.
Hold
Kron,
on.
you okay?
I'm okay.
You sure?
On a scale of 10 to 10, how blind are you?
I
Look,
potted.
I don't know, but it's not 2020.
God.